everybody, I'm Tzvia Hermann, the owner of the Laser Boutique, and today I'm here to talk to you about the 3 non-negotiable essential opening procedures before any laser treatment. Firstly, before every single treatment, if you've got a new client, always use your laser hair removal flip chart. Go through every single page by page. You should know this backwards so that you are explaining to the client what they need to understand, what they can expect, what they should be doing before and after, what they can expect during the treatment, how many treatments they have, why is it pain-free, why do you have to have between 8 to 12 treatments. These are questions that clients have that need to be answered before any laser hair removal journey starts. So before every single laser treatment, whether it's the first treatment, whether it's a test patch, whether it's the 10th treatment, in front of the client, you have to take a tissue paper, spray the tissue paper with 70% alcohol and clean the handpiece in front of your client. Why? So that your client has peace of mind knowing that hygiene is of the utmost important to us. And these are the words that you're going to be using every single time. Remember, the repetition of saying these words to your client before every treatment allows your client to feel that there is consistency, and where there's consistency, where the client knows what to expect, they feel safe in your hands. So the words that you're going to be using is, at Laser Boutique, there are 3 priorities. Number 1 is hygiene. Number 2 is client comfort. And number 3 is results. We are result driven. To ensure that the client is feeling safe and understands that hygiene is of utmost importance, you're going to sanitize the device in front of your client. And you're going to say, before every single treatment, I will always sanitize the handpiece in front of you so that you know that even though I've sanitized after our treatments, I also sanitize before our treatments in front of you so that you've got peace of mind. Every single time you perform a laser treatment, there needs to be consistency, which means at every Laser Boutique, whether you're having a laser treatment in Bluebird or whether you're having it in Sea Point or whether you're having it needs to be the same treatment. It needs to feel the same, which means every single therapist needs to treat in a very similar way. We always grid before you treat so that the client also sees and feels that you're not missing any areas. Another thing you're going to do, which is super important, is always communicate with your client. Before you put on gel, explain, I'm going to be putting on some ultrasound gel. This is going to feel a little bit cold, so that she knows what to expect. She feels held. She understands what is happening and she can preempt what's happening. She's not getting a fright when you're putting on gel. And when you're lasering, you keep communicating. How does this feel? Are you feeling prickles? Ensure that she is not feeling any pain, but she is feeling prickles. If she's not feeling prickles, the treatment may not be working. So you might need to increase the temperature or increase the time that you're accumulating energy. Remember, you need to accumulate a certain amount of energy or a certain amount of heat in a specific area. So always make sure that you're communicating with your clients.